think this is a really good time for us to be here because, you know, some of the national attention has sort of been drawn away from Haiti because there's been so much else going on in the world. But, you know, we have to remember that Haiti is still a long way away from being resolved in any way, shape, or form. We are on our way to Mexico. Well, this is my first solo international trip, and Haiti has been a part of it, but it was a bit of a surprise visit. We have wanted to go to Haiti for quite some time, me personally, to just lend support. You can see pretty profoundly the devastation. I mean, this is a country where almost every, if not every single school and church was destroyed. And what you could also see were the tent cities that are cropping up all over the place. Hundreds of thousands of people dislocated from their homes, and the rainy season is on its way, as well as hurricane season, so the needs are just going to increase. We also had some time to go into the city. We spent time at a sort of makeshift school that Mrs. Proval is supporting. It's a wonderful center. It's a less of a school and more of a set of buses with classrooms in it.
As an educator, I love seeing the school, and they had a school set up in a school bus. And I talked with the teacher, and there were so many children, and they were singing and painting and dancing, and they really had joy on their faces. So I really feel like there's hope in Haiti.
And then we got to visit a site of the rebuilding of a school. One of the top schools in the country, the secondary schools, was completely destroyed. And right now they're rebuilding. They're hoping to reopen that school with a fraction of the students in the next week or so. So that was uplifting. And then we had an opportunity to sit down with President Proval and the First Lady just to reiterate America's support for Haiti, the President's pledge to stick with Haiti throughout the process of renewal. So it's a very full day. Very emotional day. We're a long way away from being where that country needs to be, and the world needs to continue its focus, and America will continue to do its part as one of many nations helping